Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be this cute balmy blue base with some flowers and this adorable little sentiment. It will be using the Vibrant Vases stamp set, which is available in the Spring Summer catalogue, and there's also a coordinating punch that's in the annual catalogue that you can cut all these little bits out with. Super cute, make sure you check that out. So let's get started. So moving that to one side, I am bringing in my base of Balmy Blue, and that measures 21 centimetres by 14.8. And what I've done is I've already pre-cut a mat that measures 10.1 centimetres by 14.4, and that's just been sent through the Big Shot with an embossing folder called the Truffed embossing folder. It's super cute. I love it. So that's already done. So what I'm going to do now is focus on the stamping, the real reason why you were all here. So bringing in my Momentum ink pad and that beautiful flower stamp, which is there. I'm going to stamp this image down. So inking up my stamp and just placing that down. Get a good stamp straight away, like so, as you can see there. Such a pretty stamp, which I think just works perfectly to accent a sentiment, or you can pop it coming out the top of the vase. There is also this stamp here which coordinates with that, and that just gives it a cute little arty watercolour effect. However, for this card, I just wanted it to be super bold and stand out. So the reason why I want it bold is you could use your blends quite easily with this. However, I found that it wasn't having the impact that I wanted. So I quickly swapped out for my Stampin' Right markers. I'm using Blushing Bride as well as Pear Pizzazz. So both of these colours are in the Subtles collection with Balmy Blue, so you know straight away that they're going to coordinate. So this is where you're all going to cry, because I'm just going to quickly lay down the ink, not being too careful of where I'm colouring, like so. Obviously I'm keeping in the edges, but I'm trying not to go over any areas more than once. Just get nice firm covering. Like so. Now, obviously you can spend longer making sure it's perfect the way you like it. However, I'm not too fussed, because if you have a look at the example, there's a little bit of tone from where you go over multiple times, and it's handmade after all. So taking the Pear Pizzazz, I'm just going to quickly colour in the leaves. Like so. And then all you're going to want to do is bring in your paper snips and trim them out like so. So as you can see, I've just quickly fussy cutted around the edge, leaving a little white border, and it's not perfect. It's not neat, it will do. So I've cut two of them out already, and they're going to sit either side of a sentiment. With the sentiment, I've already heat embossed that in white onto a piece of basic black cardstock, and that cardstock has been run through the Big Shot with the rectangular stitch shapes, so you can see just along the edge the cute little imprint of the stitch effect. I love it. So they're just going to sit behind our card like so. Before we do that, this is my favourite ribbon of all time. I'm going to bring in the flax ribbon, and that's just going to give a little bit of a middle ground to our card. So just going to pull it strip and cut it down. And now I haven't measured that because I can make anything work. So this is perfect way to use a scrap piece of ribbon that you might have, or just anything you have lying around. So I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do is, before I secure this all down, secure the ribbon in place. So I'm just going to find where I kind of want it. So there, push a bit of adhesive down, and then that's just going to secure it down before I use my dimensionals. So bringing in my dimensionals, I'm going to turn the sentiment around and pop one either side, but not right up to the edge, and the reason for that is the flowers need to sit behind. So then that can just sit down in the centre of the card, like so. Bringing in some mini dimensionals now. I'm just going to pop one on the back, getting stuck to my nail, like so. And then just take them off. And I'm just going to slip their flowers behind, like so. And there you have it, a super quick and simple card using the Vibrant Vases stamp set that's available in the Spring Summer catalogue. If you've enjoyed today's video, why not like, comment and subscribe, and while you're there, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of items used is detailed, as long as links to my online shop for you to purchase them. While you're there, share to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a pretty card. I'll see you around. Bye.